What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're unboxing the best new Hot Wheels team transport with the BMW M3 E46 and Aero lift. You can see the great looking graphics that they have displayed on the card itself, but let's go ahead and open it up. And there we have it right off the bat right here. You can see the amazing looking BMW M3 E46 just sitting right there. This has got the iBox spring logoing on the side of it, which is matching on the Aero lift itself. Let's get a closer look at this M3. You can see great looking gray wheels on here, the 46 on the side, of course. And we do have like some sort of like white striping right here, which kind of runs across the top. I really like that for like the detail. It continues from the front and goes down the back. Look at the detail on that front end right there. That looks excellent. Such a great looking car. And on the side, you can see again the iBox springs right there. And on the back, we've got good detail. We've got some other sponsors and stuff just written down on the bottom right there as well. Just an overall great looking car. Then we do have the Aero lift, which will match it. You can see the M3 obviously goes right on here. We've got the little indentations right there for the wheel and tires. You can have it sitting right there, or you can move it back to the back one as well. I kind of like just like right there. I think that looks great. Our Aero lift, you can see the nice detail on there for that one. And also an interesting fact of Aero lift is it does come apart, so we can pull that little piece right off right there. And you can have your M3 just sit without that backing. Doesn't quite fully stay on, so it's good to have the backing on there. So we'll actually put that back right on and we'll click it right in. And then we'll just put our M3 back on. But overall, just an excellent looking new Hot Wheels team transport. 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon and Retro Rig. A great combination of the Demon on this nice looking tow truck right here. You can see the graphics that we have on the card right at the top right there. Let's go ahead and open it up. And there we have it for the first time right here, our Demon sitting pretty on the back end right there. I love the staggered wheel tire combination. These wheels on this Demon just look excellent. We'll put the retro rig aside for a second. Just check out those wheels. Do those look great? It's a perfect fit for this Demon right here. We can see it's got some nice coloring on the front with the SRT logo right here. This is a great looking blue color as well. Very glossy looking. The big Hot Wheels logo on the side, the Mopar logo on the back right there as well. Dodge written on it. Great detail on the back end right there. Obviously these are real riders, as all of these Hot Wheels team transports are. Great looking front end right there. You can see those Demon headlights just looking fantastic. And we'll grab our retro rig right here, and you can see our retro rig obviously matches nicely. We'll put the Demon just right there on the back of it so you can see how it looks. And it's got like Hot Wheels on there, Hot Wheels logo on the side. I love the look of the color of this one. They just mesh so well together. We can see on the front end right there the nice big chrome grille on it. Very, very nice. I would have liked to see maybe a newer Dodge Ram front end. That would be cool if it was like a newer style Dodge Ram, like 2018 Dodge Ram, and then have that Demon on the back of it. That would be super cool. So maybe in the future we'll see an updated tow truck version, but otherwise this one is looking great. Two great looking Hot Wheels team transport. Let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to hit that like, follow, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.